Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to recover online banking account password of Chase Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for a new tab and search in for a chase.com and press enter. Here at the official web page of Chase Bank, you can see the option of sign in just below welcome. You click on it. Here you have been directed to the login form page of Chase Bank. Here you need to provide your username. Then you need to provide your password. After you fill both of the details, you need to click on sign in where you will get logged into your online banking account of Chase Bank. As we are going to recover our ID or password, we will click on the link provided below, that is forgot username/password. Click on it. Here you have been redirected to the another page where you need to fill up your social security number, account card or application number to recover your password or ID. Once you fill up all the details, you need to click on next where you will be redirected to the another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to have your ID or password recovered. This is how you can recover your online banking account password of Chase Bank. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to recover online banking account password of Chase Bank. Thank you.